How y'all doing? And thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment, and a lot of other automotive electrical needs. We do some fun stuff here once in a while. Let me show you what we got for this CRV. Client came in and requested that we do a little bit of footwell lighting in here, just to jazz it up a little bit. So we did a multicolor footwell kit. Goes in the front and the back. Works out real nice. You can see here, I'm trying to get you both in one shot here, maybe like, there we go. If I can zoom out a little bit, if that helps. There, you can see that does all kinds of different stuff. It was fairly easy and inexpensive to put in. So if you have something like this you want done to your car, just let us know. We can slide you in and get it done. These kits are real common, and you can set them on one color. You can make them dance to music. You can do whatever you like with them. They definitely are kind of a fun little addition in the vehicle. This vehicle did not come with any ambient lighting from the factory, so we got some good ambient lighting for them. There's a nice purple. Red goes into orange. Very cool. So if you like this and you want to get something like this in your own car, hit us up at Wicked Warnings. We can take care of you. Thanks again for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency strobe lighting and LED equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, even Honda CRVs for some nice footwell lighting, ambient lighting, whatever you'd like to call it. Of course, these are mounted in the rear on the back of the seat. They're movable friendly. You can move that seat all the way forward and backward, up and down. Has no effect on the light. Made sure to have enough slack in there. So everything right here, ready to go. Thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Zoom out again and kind of show you. Just want to give you a nice representation of what to expect. This is how it should look if you have this done. Honda CRV. Very easy install. Took us about an hour and a half.